In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Salesforce account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. We'll start by accessing the app launcher in Salesforce. This is your starting point for navigating around. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Accounts and select it. Once you're in the Accounts section, you'll see a button that says New. Click on that. Now, it's time to enter some vital details that will form the backbone of your account. The first field you'll need to fill in is the account name. This should be the name of your customer. It's pretty straightforward, so just type that in. Next up, you'll find the account owner field. This is where you specify who in your organization will be responsible for this customer. Make sure to select the correct person as they will be managing the relationship with this account. Moving on, we'll fill in the customer number. This serves as a unique identifier for each customer, so think along the lines of an ID or reference number. It's essential for maintaining clarity, especially if you have numerous clients. The next field is Customer Template. Here, you'll want to select the template used to create a customer. Templates help streamline the setup for new accounts, saving you time later. Now, if this customer has a parent account, meaning they are part of a larger organizational structure, be sure to fill in the parent account field. Just a heads up, the sales organization of the parent account must align with the customer template you initially selected. You also have a field called Name To. This gives you the option to provide another name for the customer in case they're perhaps known by a different name or perhaps a nickname. Next is the operating hours. Here, fill in their availability or business hours, which can be crucial for scheduling meetings or visits. Now we'll go to the external ID. This is an identification you use for an external account record, perfect for reconciling or integrating user information from other systems. After you've successfully entered all these details, you're ready to enter the address and any communication details your organization has for the client. Don't forget to hit Save to secure all these changes. Once your accounts are set up, you might want to add contacts. This is where you can store customer information, and you'll be reflecting the relationship between a contact and the customer in the data you input. Let's not forget to add customer managers. This functionality allows you to store information about users who will be planning visits for an account. Now, it gets interesting as we talk about customer relationships. Multiple relationships can exist for a customer, like a delivery recipient or a payer for the primary customer. Just remember that while a customer can have various relationships, only one can be classified as the primary customer. Next, as you think about your customer's intricate web of relationships, you can create customer trade org hierarchies. This helps you better manage accounts, making everything far more organized. You can also add customer visit settings. These are particularly useful for setting up automatic visit planning, which can save you a lot of effort over time. Lastly, don't forget about customer extensions, which let you display customers on mobile devices. You'll want to add the account extension data record to a customer here. Oh, and if you want to make your accounts easier to navigate, create listing classifications. This lets users define listing modules for an account by category, making everything a little clearer in the customer data. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the steps to create a Salesforce account. Happy selling and managing your customer relationship.